Are you new to golf and wondering how to choose your first set of clubs? Picking the right clubs can really shape your early golf experience. Start by thinking about what kind of player you want to be and how often you plan to play. It's smart to begin with a basic set. Usually a driver, a few irons, a wedge, and a putter. These will cover most situations on the course. Don't rush for the most expensive or advanced clubs. Beginners benefit from forgiving clubs that help with consistency. Also, consider getting a fitting if possible. Getting clubs matched to your height and swing style can improve your game more than you might expect. Keep in mind, comfort and confidence with your gear are just as important as the technical specs. Finally, learn about club care and etiquette to enjoy your time on the course and respect the game. With the right gear and mindset, those first golf clubs will open the door to a rewarding hobby. If you're in City Keyword, check out local shops for personalized advice and options tailored to your needs. Please like and subscribe to Capital Golf Info. Thanks for watching!